Are you looking for the best electric burners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric burners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Techwood Electric Hot Plate Stove Countertop Double Burner. It has non-slip rubber feet which give stable cooking protection. It takes 15 minutes to cool down after turning off. It has a thermal fuse which prevents overheating. You can control the temperature of the burners with thermostatic knobs. It is portable, so it gives you the option to cook anywhere you want with 120 volts electricity supply. Infrared heating of this product is harmless. It heats up very quickly to prepare the food very fast. Cooking becomes very easy and convenient when you are using this 1800 watts countertop burner. Infrared double cooktop gives convenience in cooking. It heats up food quickly by saving energy. All types of pots like stainless steel, glass, aluminum are compatible with it. Number 4. Koozymax Portable Electric Stove 1800W Infrared Double Burner Heat Up in Seconds. When you will use this burner, you will be able to use all types of cookware. It has a dual burner and high thermal efficiency. It reaches the highest temperature within a few seconds. You need a clean damp cloth to clean the outside of the burner. It takes more than 10 minutes to cool down after turning off, and you should be careful in this matter. It does not have electromagnetic radiation, but it is absolutely harmless. The power rate of this burner is 1800 watt. It gets heat up evenly, as it has two plates having 900 watts power in both. It is just like an electric stove. You can use this for hot pot also. Quality of this electric burner is very good. The speed of heating is very fast. It is durable and easy to use. It has two individually adjustable thermostats. Number 3. Cosmo Portable Electric Induction Cooktop. It is a high-powered induction burner which works very fast. It is extremely good in quality and comes with a 1-year warranty. But one thing you need to keep in mind that cookware should be induction ready to function properly. It will show E0 error on the display screen if you use wrong cookware. It will shut down automatically after 1 minute while it is not in use. It has touch lock system which assures safety, and it is also able to ignore accidental presses. Its compact design is very attractive. This 1800W rapid heating induction cooktop works faster than any standard burners. Number 2. Cuisinart CB60 Cast Iron Double Burner. The double burner is always great for any get-together, party and holidays when you are planning to prepare a lot of dishes. When one more burner is added to the main burner, it saves your time and gives you the option to prepare more recipes at the same time. This double burner has one large plate having 1300 watts of power and one small plate have 500 watts of power. The diameter of the large one is 7.5 inches and the small one have a diameter of 6 inches. It uses 1800 watts of power. There are thermostats to adjust the heat. It even comes with a ready indicator light. It is extremely durable and easy to handle. The cast iron plates are great. There are 2 separate temperature control settings with which you can adjust the temperature according to your need. Non-slip rubber is also present in it. Number 1. Cooktop Portable Induction Cooktop. This induction cooktop uses 15 amps of electricity and 120 volts to work. The energy which is produced by the burner flows directly to the cookware through a magnetic field. The electric burner adjusts the magnetic field automatically as per the size of the utensils. A little bit of energy is wasted during this process of cooking. The cooktop is very lightweight and also portable. It works very fast and the cleaning process of the cooktop is extremely easy. Overall, it is very convenient to use. The length of the cord is almost 5 feet and it comes with 2 years warranty of the manufacturer. This has a warning system of high and low voltage which informs you at the right time. A digital timer is also available with it that counts down the time from 1 minute to 10 hours. The best part of this product is the digital LCD sensor touch control panel. You need to use proper cookware which supported by this electric burner. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.